Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these very easy lips. You could use this as an applique, or you could make two, sew them together and stuff them for a small pillow. So let's get started. To crochet these easy lips, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 22. Okay, I have chain 22 and I marked the 11th stitch from the hook. Single crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet in the next stitch. Make 3 triple crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, triple crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, and slip stitch in that marked stitch. Now I can remove my marker, and that's 1/2 of the lips. So now I'm going to do the same thing on this side in reverse. So half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, three triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 all in the same stitch, triple crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, double crochet, skip the next 2 stitches, slip stitch in the last stitch. And there you have the top part of the lips. Now we're going to work down this side and make the bottom of the lips. So I'm going to turn my work. Now those are the 2 slipped stitches. I'm going to single crochet, single crochet. Now you can see which stitches to work in because it's going to be directly below the post of the previous row. So I'm going to double crochet in 4 stitches. So 1, 2, and 4. And that 4th stitch is worked in the same stitch as the 3 triple crochet of that previous row. Now I'm going to triple crochet, and I'm going to triple crochet in the next 2 stitches until I get to this center. Now in that center stitch where I slip stitched from the previous row, I'm going to make 5 triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You see, 5 triple in the same stitch. And I'm going to triple crochet in the next 3 stitches. So find that post. So 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to double crochet in 4. So the first double crochet is worked into that stitch where the 3 were above. So double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and then I'm going to single crochet, and then single crochet, and fasten off. And there you have a set of smiling lips. Now if you made 2, you could sew them together and stuff them. And that's approximately the size of my hand, which is about 6 inches.